Hey guys, welcome back to Oz Biker. Thanks for tuning in. Riding with a few of the boys. It's nice and early. The roads are a bit dewy still, but it should be. We're trying to beat the heat because it's going to be 37 degrees today, and the humidity is probably going to be around 95% like it always is. But thanks for tuning in guys. I'm on the RSV4 today. Absolutely awesome bike, no issues whatsoever with the bike. I don't know, people are saying they're overheating and that, but absolutely no issues at all. It's just an awesome bike to ride. But anyhow guys, enough chit chat, let's go riding. Thanks for tuning in. If you haven't subscribed, consider doing that. Let's go riding. Hey guys, riding with the boys. There's one in front. I was out getting this camera up and going. So welcome aboard guys. Thanks for tuning in. If you haven't subscribed, consider doing that. Absolutely beautiful day coming up. Nice and early in the morning. Absolutely beautiful riding this time. Up to the clan. Got a mixed bunch of bikes guys. There's BMW 1000s, there's Ducatis, there's Tiger 900s, Kawasaki 1000s. Well mate, good mix of bikes as you can see up ahead. So thanks for tuning in as I said, and we'll get back into it as soon as we get in some nice bends.
Hey guys, hope you're enjoying the video so far. This section of road, you just look up the right there's a gravel road that comes down there, so you always get a lot of gravel on that corner, so I'm always a bit sketchy. But I was in the wrong gear. You probably heard me just come down a gear, but I've got to say this bike, truly guys, I haven't had any issues with it at all. It's like it's on rails. I'm running about 34 in the rear and 32 in the rear I think it is, and 34 in the front. It handles really well for me with that tyre pressure, PSI that is. But old mate in front, I'll tell you, one of your mates, he's on a 1400 Suzuki, and mate, Juicy handles that bike. It makes it look like a lot smaller bike, trust me. And he's not a big statue of a man, but he can really jump on that and boss it around. But anyhow guys, I hope you're enjoying the video, and there's a bit more to come, so grab a drink, coffee or whatever, and sit back, and I hope you enjoy it. Talk soon.
That was a good little run. Took the wrong line there. Yeah, baby.
Hey guys, one thing I was always taught, this is my little tip of the day, is I've always stayed in my own lane. Only if it's like, wow, I've had a bit of a slip, come across some gravel where I've had to go in the other lane. And I'm a big believer, I was taught by a bloke, that it always makes you a better rider because you've only got that much road to work with. You see some guys that go from one side of the road to the other and coming traffic and all that sort of stuff, but I never do. Anyhow, that was my tip for the day, guys. So hope you're enjoying the video, and if you haven't subscribed, consider doing that, and let's keep riding. Fun, that. Whoa. Bumpy old track as well, but a good one. Better actually the other way, it's nowhere near as bumpy. It's bumpy, but not as, I don't know, it's not as bad or anything. Gravel, or always seems to be seeing that ridge there, and there's always seems to be bits of gravel on this side for some reason. This thing absolutely handles like a dream, trust me. I think it's one of the nicest animal bikes I've ever owned, and I've owned a mixture, or it suits me. I've owned a lot of bikes, and I think this one takes the cake as one of the best handling ones I've had. Hey guys, I've got to say, I've heard that some people, especially in America, having problems with overheating the bike, but it must be something to do with the emissions over there, or the canisters or whatever that they have to run for emissions. But here now it's probably about 30 degrees, the humidity is sitting in the high 80s, 88, 9%, because it got up to about 95 today and to about 36 degrees, and I have zero problems with overheating. Not even hot under leg. Hot under leg, you jump on a Ducati, Panigale, and you'll know what hot under leg is. But anyhow, guys, I've got to say, the couple in front, mate, that girl on the back, both of them just become part of one. I've got to take my hat off to her. She kicks ass.
But yeah, thanks heaps for tuning in. If you haven't subscribed, guys, consider doing that and giving the video a like. It'd be much appreciated. And make sure you ride safe, stay safe, and I'll see you on the next one, guys. Take care. Bye for now.